Have you ever stopped to think about how fast our world is changing right before our eyes? I mean, seriously. It feels like every single day brings news of some absolutely mind-boggling engineering feat. Today, we're diving into a handful of projects that perfectly showcase the sheer scale of China's technological breakthroughs. We're talking about a colossal rotor being hoisted in Xizang, a massive new gas field going full throttle, and a floating wind platform taller than a 100-story building. It is honestly incredible to witness this progress. Before we explore these wonders, please subscribe and hit the bell. A truly massive generator rotor was successfully installed on the 11th of August, 2026, at the Datang Zala Hydropower station in Xizang. This powerhouse now hosts the world's largest impulse hydropower units. It is a key clean energy project designed to send green power from Xizang to the rest of the nation. The station uses two giant 500-megawatt impulse turbine generator units. Once fully running, it will produce about 4 billion kilowatt-hours of clean electricity each year. This output will save around 1.3 million tons of coal annually. It will also cut carbon dioxide emissions by roughly 3.42 million tons. In a significant step forward for urban transit, Shanghai has achieved a major construction milestone. The final tunnel boring machine has broken through, connecting all 50 tunnel sections of Metro Line 21's Phase 1 and its eastern extension. This 42-kilometer line will serve 23 stations, linking key Pudong hubs like Zhangjiang High-Tech Park and Shanghai East Railway Station. Workers overcame tough challenges, tunneling alongside buildings and under rivers. By optimizing processes, they sped up progress from 8 meters to about 18 meters per day. The project took 3 years to complete this tunneling phase. Scheduled to open in July 2027, Line 21 will ease congestion and fuel growth in Pudong's economic zones. The first phase of China's first 100 billion cubic meter gas field in the Bohai Sea has officially started full operations. Daily output from this field now surpasses 5,200 tons of oil and gas. Engineers faced extreme geological challenges, including temperatures up to 204 degrees Celsius and rock harder than steel. They used a self-developed drilling technology system to overcome these hurdles. The project successfully drilled 10 ultra-deep wells exceeding 6,000 meters. The Jiasong Highway Bridge is steadily taking shape as the very first suspension bridge ever built over Shanghai's mighty Huangpu River. It is an awe-inspiring sight, with its massive steel cables beginning to trace elegant arcs against the city skyline. This engineering marvel has just completed a remarkable transition from a temporary cable-stayed setup to its final form as a permanent, self-anchored suspension structure. This clever design was absolutely necessary to tackle Shanghai's notoriously soft, muddy soil, which makes traditional bridge foundations incredibly difficult. At the same time, this approach keeps the river's main shipping channel completely open for the endless parade of cargo vessels and barges that rely on this vital waterway. The innovative engineering not only speeds up construction efficiency, but also makes future maintenance much more convenient and cost-effective. Scheduled to welcome its first travelers by late 2026, this landmark will boast 6 spacious traffic lanes alongside separate protected paths dedicated to pedestrians and cyclists. As the 14th bridge to span the Huangpu, it will directly connect 4 major districts in southwestern Shanghai. For daily commuters, cyclists, and walkers, this new crossing will slash travel times across the waterway by up to 30 precious minutes, making life significantly easier for countless residents. China has officially put into operation its first independently developed 16-megawatt tension leg floating wind power platform named Haiyu Anlan. This massive structure stands as tall as a 110-story building. It directly powers the offshore Lufeng oil field through a 3-kilometer subsea cable. The project sets global records for the deepest operating water depth and furthest offshore distance for this type of platform. It is designed to withstand extreme typhoon conditions with wind speeds up to 220 kilometers per hour. Remarkably, it uses 40% less steel than traditional designs. Generating 54 million kilowatt-hours of green electricity annually, it saves 15,000 cubic meters of fuel oil. It also reduces carbon dioxide emissions by 35,000 tons per year. Construction on China's tallest atmospheric observation tower, known as the Lujo Tower in Anhui, has reached a major milestone. On the 4th of August 2026, its main structure surpassed the halfway mark of 200 meters. This tower is designed to eventually reach a height of 400 meters. It will be equipped with 23 fixed observation platforms. It will also feature a continuously elevating experimental capsule. Project experts say this advanced infrastructure will enable precise observations of atmospheric pollution and greenhouse gas fluxes. Construction has officially kicked off on what can only be described as a record-breaking clean energy mega project of staggering proportions. This ambitious endeavor is designed to carry massive amounts of renewable electricity all the way from the sun-scorched deserts of Inner Mongolia directly to the bustling, energy-hungry megacity of Shanghai. To make this long journey possible, the project harnesses advanced ultra-high voltage direct current technology, which dramatically minimizes energy loss across the vast 1,800-mile distance. Once fully operational, this multi-billion yuan underwater power tunnel will deliver over 40 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity every single year. Remarkably, renewable sources will account for at least half of that impressive total, marking a significant shift toward greener energy. The project has already set 5 world records, including the longest Yangtze River crossing ever attempted. In terms of environmental impact, it will displace 2.46 million tons of standard coal and carbon dioxide emissions by 9.7 million tons annually. China has achieved a major milestone in high-end manufacturing. It has developed its first domestic one-piece, 3-row cylindrical roller slewing bearing with a massive 13-meter outer diameter. This bearing is designed for heavy machinery in sectors like mining, lifting, and shipping. This engineering feat breaks long-standing foreign monopolies on ultra-large precision bearings. Chinese engineers overcame 15 critical technical hurdles using domestic equipment and refined machining. They optimized heat treatment to minimize stress and control friction. Operating as a crucial rotational joint, the bearing offers extraordinary load-bearing capacity with operational stability within 0.01 millimeters. This is less than 1/100th of a human hair's width. This milestone solidifies China's technological breakthroughs foundation for wind power platforms and deep-sea exploration. This segment features stunning aerial footage highlighting the Yongren Bridge. It is a massive suspension bridge located in southwest China's Yunnan province. The bridge spans 1,668 meters across a deep canyon and soars 350 meters in the air. Its bright red color creates a striking contrast against the lush green mountains and misty valleys. As camera angles shift, viewers get sweeping views of the structure from multiple perspectives. These include overhead shots looking straight down the multi-lane roadway. The footage showcases how seamlessly this modern infrastructure integrates into the dramatic natural landscape.